Hello, YouTube. It's your main man BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. Let's go. It's KRC20 turn up time. KRC20 turn up time. So let me know what you guys think. I got a couple questions in the comment section. So, what is your favorite KRC20 token, and which ones do you think will moan after the election? So let's get over to the screen share. Let's see what's going on here. So let me know what you guys think will be the next KRC20 token to moon. And if you can see here, thanks for joining. Thanks for like, sharing, and subscribing. And this is BTM. Let me see. And the KRC20 token. Just checking the volume. Volume's good. So this, don't forget to join the Black Tiger Miner X page. So this is Conan. T minus 1 hour. We're officially launching the American Canadian market with Bitcoin.com. This is the pivotal moment in Conan's journey. Sorry. As this is the first part of 5 CXs that we'll be launching for the next 2 weeks, I'm excited to share with you. And this is Conan versus Conan. And Conan has a leather coat on, which is weird, and has the 2 Kaspa appeals. So let me know what you guys think about that. Huge shout out to our legendary community leading the way on Bitcoin for top gainers on their platform in the last 24 hours, just beginning, as we have several major CX listings coming soon to take advantage of. So this is Bitcoin. Conan is 61.2. Not even sure what that is. Dougal 53, Kango 28. And I'm not sure if these are even KRC20 tokens, but I know Conan is and Kango is. I think the rest of these are just tokens. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Moving on, more listings for KRC20 tokens. The more people get excited about KRC20, the more it will lead to Kaspa. There are many projects in KRC20 ecosystem that are introducing new holders to Kaspa. New listing on, am I even saying this right? Bitcoin, Biconomy, listing Kango. Kango will be listed on Cash and open the Kango USDT trading pair at 1500 November 4th, which is today UTC time. I think that was this morning. Let me know in the comments. Let me know where you guys are from in the comment section, and put a 7 in the chat if you own KRC20 tokens. Actually, put a 20 in the chat, right? Let's make it simple. Put a 20 in the chat if you own KRC20 tokens. Top KRC20 tokens by volume in the last 24 hours. The main top dog of KRC20 is Conan. Then we got Kango, Nacho, Bert, and Caspian. I might pick up some more Bert. What's up, my main man, Nick K? What's going on? And let's see, what else do we have here? Let me see. This is Nacho. What up, A? Aldernham? Aldenham? We'll just call you A. What's going on? Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit us up with a super chat. This is Nacho the Cat taking ups and downs for these slopes a day at a time, not going anywhere. Meow. And I like the green and black. I don't know who came up with that concept, but the green and black with the logo is awesome. Everything is awesome. Happy Monday. Let's go. We got 7 winner meme coins in Kaspa ecosystem. The main question is, which one of these KRC20 hits 1 billion market cap? will hit the 1 billion market cap when the Kaspa ecosystem keeps expanding. So we got Kingo again, 8.9 market cap. Conan number 2, Nacho number 3. Nacho's down to 45 million. Bert, Kaspi, Dog K, which is actually starting to pump, and Goach or Gold, I guess. Lots of blood in the streets today, not only KRC20, but crypto as a whole. Conan standing strong, leading 24-hour volume back-to-back days. So we'll see here. I guess we'll look at this on the chart. Up 4%, 4.5 million. Kango 7.3, Nacho 35.6, Bert 4.6, Kaspi 9.5. And this is Guru. In the last 30 days, 5,100 people visit the Kaspi website. We started to see more and more visitors coming from social media platforms. This means that Kaspi is gaining traction and people are beginning to read her story and join the community. Shout out to Kaspi. I guess this is Google Analytics, 4,100 users from US, Germany, Romania, United Kingdom, Turkey, India, and Indonesia. Let's see what else we got here. Traffic share, social media, direct traffic, search traffic, and website referrals. And that's weird. I guess this is us. This is Dallas. Shout out to Texas and Southern California on the map. Let's see if this is actually it's not just another picture. Thought this was a website, but no worries there. Nacho's trending, CoinGecko and Goach and Dog K are under large gainers list. So this is Kaspa down to 10 cents. Nacho is down 13.5. Goach is up 31.4 and Dog Night is up 1.3. Let's go. This is a quick guide to buying and selling KRC20 tokens is easier, cheaper than ever. Instant swap tokens using USDC and other KRC20. You guys are always asking me. Real quick, let me turn this music off. I don't get a hit, copyright hit, so let's play from the beginning. Turn that sound off. But this is change and where you can get KRC20 tokens because people are saying they don't want to use the KSRP bot. So this is another easier way to get it. I actually have used this before and have been doing swaps on this as well. So let me know if you guys are using it, interested, like it, hate it, prefer it. Either way, let me know in the comments. So that was a quick video. Moving forward, KRC20. What is this? Let me start this over. Hello. So this is KRC20 projects are the boost for Kaspa. Dream together, work together, Lambo together. Let me see here. What is up, AR? What's going on, man? What's up, BTM? Do you think the elections will affect crypto? Definitely. And I'm going to show you a graph about that in a minute. I was looking for one that showed the full graph, but I didn't see that. So we just went with this one. Kaspa and KRC20 will melt faces this bull run. We will never see these prices again once we bounce. Pack your bags accordingly. So much potential for both. Your future self will thank you. Shout out to future self and thanking me. What's up, Enoch? So this is KRC pool of the day. Top LP gainers, Nacho and USDT. Dive in and return. So this is Turbo. This is I think AR mentioned this. So this is a graph. Here's the Bitcoin chart with the sort of projection a Trump win would kick off. And this looks like it will push on up to 100K for Bitcoin. On the same flip, this is if Harris wins, it'll push back down. So it's not financial advice. This is just for back up. Shout out to KRC20 and the Conan family. What is up? Top dollar. And I think, let me go to the charts. Let's look at the numbers real quick. Let me see. Just checking the volume. Okay, we live. So here we are. KRC tokens last 7 days. Canon's down 1% to 4.2 million. 1.4 24-hour trading volume. So it's the highest today. Kango is 7.3 million, 1.3 million trading volume. Nacho is down to 752. And it's also down to 34.7, which is kind of concerning because they were at 56K last week. KRC tokens are minting out quick. Bert is 7.3, 421,000. Caspi is 241, 8.4 million. Plant is 332, 207,000 in 24 hours. That's a lot of volume for a market cap of 332,000. Dog K is 145,000, 14 million. Goat is 6.4 million. Caspi is 11.3 million, 107. Check, please check Canaan, sir. And that is Canaan right here. But we'll go to our trusty KRC20 price bot. So here we go for top gainers. Greg, Cheese. I don't know what this Kepi, K Pep. I don't know. Aliens 120. Kenobi is 100,000%. Fred's down 84%. Iguanas 83. Peanut 74. Dang, Peanut. Bulla 64 and Escrow 62. Top 5 market caps. CUSDT. What is that? Was that 8.9 million? Nacho 331 million. USD 34 million. Pepe, not sorry, Kaspa is 11.4 million. Caspi is 8.2 million, and Kango is 7 million. Top by volume, this pant came up 189,000. Caspi's 86,000. Kango 75,000. KDAO is 57,000, and Stick is 48,000. And here you are. Who is this? Hey Chu. Conan is up 0.8%. 12,000 24-hour volume. Market cap 4.2 million. Nacho is down 14%. 56,000 24-hour trading volume, market cap 34 million. KDAO 3 million market cap, 6,857 24-hour trading volume. Kaspa 16,000 24-hour trading volume, 11.3 million market cap. Let's go. Sticks out of nowhere is 34,000, 1.2 million. And Kango 7.3 million, 55,900. And this is top sales. Pant, Folk, I never heard of that. S Creo, Nacho, and Kango. So, of course, it's video time, guys. Let's look at the videos. Let's see what's going on. And you see here, Conan is #1 in 24-hour trading volume. And let's refresh that, which might take a couple minutes. So let me see if it's gone. And this is Harry Winford, Canaan the Moon. Yes, sir. We definitely want to see Canaan rocket all the way to the moon. It's one of the top trading pairs on the KRC20 tokens. So if we ever get this refresh to happen, don't forget to sign up for the Black Tiger Miner Twitter page and join the Discord. I need to get the Discord updated, but haven't had a chance. Been busy making videos, but we'll get to that. This is, are you selling Kaspa to 90 market cap KRC20 explosion? Let's see what this guy has to say. If this ever, there we go. Just trying to refresh the KRC dashboard. And it's okay. So there we are. Conan still #1, 1.4. Ah, up 6%. Come on, Conan, let's go. Top dog on Kaspa. Come on, it's up 6%. And it looks like it's the only thing up so far. So we'll take that. Shout out to Top Dollar and Henry and all the other KRC20 supporters of Canaan. Top dog on Kaspa. Let's go. So let's see what this guy's talking about. This is Crypto Strategies with Chris.
Welcome back to Crypto Strategies with Chris. My name is Chris. So what exactly is going on with the markets, Kaspa and KRC20 tokens? Everything's just going down. It's pretty crazy. It's pretty insane. A lot of people are scared. And of course, if you're new to the crypto space, you're going to be scared. This is crazy times. But faded? Are you selling? Don't do it. Hold strong. We know everything's going to be okay. This is basically one of the last major dips before we take off into the bull market. At least that's what I believe in. So let's check out what's going on with that. So besides all the selling that's been going on and the craziness, we are still at a neutral with the fear and greed index, which is pretty good. Dominance, Bitcoin is at 59.1, Ethereum 12% or almost 13%. So that's not too bad. Markets.
No problem there, Top Dollar. We definitely support the top dog. We like the story and narrative, and of course the growth behind this project. I think going to the moon, baby. Let me
3 trillion, so that's doing pretty well. But you can see, yeah, it's kind of Christmas colors over here. It's red and green. This is for the last 7 days, so it's not too bad. It's pretty even. So hopefully we'll just stabilize about right here, and then we can probably hopefully start going up. I'm pretty sure everything's just kind of priced in right now. The US election is coming up in like 3 days on Tuesday, so I'm pretty sure all the nerves and all the craziness is happening now. And whenever that day happens, hopefully we don't go further down. Hopefully we start rising up, because I'm pretty sure we are priced in already. So on to some Kaspa news. So for Kaspa, we are still in the crescendo phase, and they are testing it. You can see right here, crescendo update. The PR for computing higher level scale stack entries on demand is merged, resolving a crucial processing bottleneck. Final steps before a new testnet 11 performance focused version, which is meant to finalize the 10 BPS configuration and say, hey, for whatever reason, Kaspa's dumping, but there's about to be a huge update coming soon, within a month or maybe two, if it gets delayed. But a big sell-off is happening, which is good. Great. Buy now.
New GoDaddy Arrow has AI marketing tools to help
really kick in. My opinion. So we're going to move on to Kaspa's price. Compare Kaspa to
social ads and email
Cardano.
marketing.
They're all getting into smart contracts. So let's go over the price history. All right, so this is Kaspa's price right now. You can see I am at the max. You can see all the way from May of 2022. Man, I wish I bought at this price, and it has just skyrocketed all the way up. We have had major support right here around this 10-cent line. It bounced completely back up. Basically did like a double here, came back down for a little bit, did a double again, except for this time it actually went past a 2x. So that's great. And again, we are at these levels of 11 cents right now at this moment. So this is Cardano's past history. You can see right here, this was its all-time high in the year 2021, whenever they launched the smart contracts. And look at this date right here. You can see we are November 4th. This is November 4th of 2020. Now, what this represents is basically November of 2020, and you can see that how prices
Dang it. And the mute button gets stuck. So I don't know what's going on. But hopefully we'll get back on track pretty soon here. But let me start this video back. Yeah, for some reason, when the screen share stops and starts back up, the sound goes off. So you got to close it out and come back in and reopen it. So just give me a second there. Just give me a second here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. You fix one problem and 6 more problems pop up. So let me see if this is working.
their business first and they're trying to do it, but in reality, they want to reward their community. They want us to be successful for supporting them and holding Kaspa. So in my opinion, I believe they will try to have the smart contracts out very soon. It's not going to be after the market. Just my opinion, not financial advice, but I think they will want to reward us and themselves with the price and launching smart contracts within the right time of the market. So now I want to show you some more news about the roadmap. So you see right here, integrate for use on Ledger. I actually need to check that out. I haven't seen, I don't know if it's through a third party or if it's Ledger Live. I've just been using Tangem, so I need to see if it's on Ledger. But you can see right here, Rust language coding completed, upgrade, consensus, development, Dagnite protocol, Crescendo, they are testing at this moment. And yes, they are planning. And so, of course, they are the top jump into the KRC20 tokens. All right.
Yeah, that was the only reason I watched the video, because I thought he was going to be talking about KRC20, but we are finally here, guys. Just be patient and let's see.
All right, so Nacho, of course, they are the top dog or top cat, and they are 44 million market cap, so they're doing pretty good. Casper, number 2 at 18 million, Dog Case, 16 million, Caspi, 14 million, Kango, 8 million, Gold, 7 million. So it's just red. It's just bloody red. At least Kango is doing decent. I think they were having a listing soon. So, and then, wow, GoFi. It's doing pretty good, 4 million market cap and this, so GoldFi, my reaction is because it's a RWA token for gold. And that just shows that there's a lot of strong holders with GoldFi and people are not just selling off. So that's pretty cool. That's interesting. So yes, a lot of red, but it's okay. We're doing okay. As Kaspa begins to develop and
yeah, this is a lot more KRC20 tokens, so we're shutting him down. Moving forward, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And I think this one is good to go. So let me know when the video starts if you can hear it or not. If you can't hear it, might have to do a quick reset. So let me know when the video starts if you can hear it or not. This is a commercial.
In a way I could understand. Then they start seeing profits. The reason behind this is simple. We're not your typical Wall Street stockbroker.
Recently, we saw massive hype for Switch and meme coins, Aptos meme coin, okay, and already Solana meme coins. So Kaspa can be the next gen here. There we can see many meme coins. Okay, Kaspa meme coin, KRC20 meme coins are listing on major central exchanges. Can be the next 1000x potential here. So it is simply very, very special, very important. You have to just so they come here. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So friends, first meme coin is at okay, Nacho symbol 747 number ranking, 2.3 times your $13 current price, and you can see last 7 days this price is up almost at 7% here. Okay, because the entire crypto market is also right out dumping nearly $40 million market cap. So this is good. Okay, already $40 million market cap. Still, this meme coin is only listed on just
two things. I want to break down the future. If you're new here, my name is Alex, talk about crypto news, crypto passive income. If you enjoy content like that, consider subscribing. You enjoyed this video, smash up the like. Without further ado, So over the past year, Kaspa's really not done a whole lot. Now, if you look at just 1 year to date, it's up 108%. But over the course of 2024, it's really been stuck in this channel between 10 and 20 cents after having broken out of the channel between 1 and 5 cents and went really from 5 straight to 10. And it's kind of been stagnant between this 10 and 20 cent range. And ironically, when you look at CoinMarketCap, there's a lot of cryptos, and I think a lot of it is also based on market cap itself. There's a ton of cryptos in the top 50 that are separated by just a less than $100 million market cap, even less than a quarter of a $1 billion market cap separates these, and a 10 to 20% price increase can take a token from 50th place all the way up to 30th. So the volatility, especially in the top 50, is extremely high. I mean, you can see it's fast and Fetch AI. So that, I mean, or artificial super intelligence alliance, the combined AI projects. So when you look at just the small differentiating factors between a lot of these, they're really, really close together. And so it wouldn't ever take a project like Kaspa to get into the top 10. It wouldn't take a whole lot. I mean, we're talking about a 4x from where it is. It would be about 40 to 45 cents. So, if we do the market, I think it's called what, market cap of, right? And you take a look at something like Kaspa and you compare it to, where would Kaspa be at a market cap of Toncoin, right? So Kaspa, the market cap of Ton, you're looking at the, I think that's the wrong Ton. There it is, Toncoin. So it would be about 48 cents or so. So I think when you look at Kaspa realistically, and that would put Kaspa in the top 10. Realistically, can Kaspa go to about 48 cents, which really is only a 2x from its prior all-time high? In a bull market scenario, I think that's very, very reasonable. Now you have to realize all the other coins are also going to increase. So if Ton goes up by 50%, that means Kaspa has to therefore increase by that much more. So when you look at the top 10, is it possible for Kaspa to get into the top 10 in 2025? I think it is possible. And I think when you look at what is currently in the top Toncoin, those could be dethroned by a project like Kaspa. I don't think Cardano, Shiba Inu, AVAX, Chainlink, I don't think any of these here that you see currently above Kaspa have anything greater than what Kaspa has to offer. So we have to kind of look at, could these go up 10, 20% more over that period of time? Sure. But I think Kaspa has what it takes to go up greater than what these could go up in that same time frame. So could Kaspa break into the top 10 in 2025? I think it is possible. Is it probable? I think there is a level of probability. I think there's still going to be a lot of categories, specifically meme coins, that are going to get a lot more attention, that could have greater spikes, that could maybe take some of those spots in the top ranking cryptocurrencies. So I think it all depends on what is really the attention of the category in 2025. But I do think that it is possible. And I don't think it would be that unbelievable. I don't think people would be all that surprised if Kaspa did break into the top 10 by the end of bull market, which could be end of 2025. So that said, outside of Kaspa possibly breaking into the top 10, I think there's going to be a lot of potential catalysts. We've kind of covered these already as far as what could be coming to Kaspa to bring more overall dollars to Kaspa, bring more liquidity to Kaspa, especially to KRC20. Now, the other thing that I think is super bullish that is going to impact the overall future of Kaspa is what's called HODL waves. Now, this is from Kaspalytics, fantastic website. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. But this essentially shows holders, same way that you look at Bitcoin wallets and that have held for 5 years and never moved. This does it for Kaspa. And if you look at this, you can see the percentage growth of users that have been holding Kaspa for a longer period of time. So even if we go back to June of this year, we saw the percentage about 5% of those who were holding longer than 2 to 3 years. So these are long-term holders. These are hodlers. These are ones that, regardless of the highs, regardless of those, are still holding their Kaspa. It's not been moved. Now, you see that number increase to about 7%. We're starting to see, and I mean, at one point when we saw at the beginning of this year is around 2%. So we've seen that number gradually grow, and we see other numbers as well when it comes to ones that have been 1 to 2 years. So you're starting to see 1 to 2 years was 11%. Now that number is about 18%. So you're starting to see this differentiating factor of people that are holding through the lows and aren't selling during the highs because they are long-term believers in what Kaspa brings to the table and the technology that it offers. So it is interesting when you look at some of the overall bullish metrics of Kaspa and you start to see, what are some of these things that are bringing more attention, driving more value. You can also see what happened recently with a ton of new addresses being onboarded for Kaspa. These are a number of unique active addresses when KRC20 launched. That was a very, very new thing to Kaspa. We saw a massive influx of new wallets created, new people trying to get involved. And I think some of these spurts are short-lived. Some of these will continue to increase as more utility and more DApps come to Kaspa as well. This is a very strong level of support for Kaspa. We see a high level of resistance, specifically at the 20-cent range. So that was a terrible straight line. But either way, it gets the point across. This is a channel that I think we could be stuck in. But when we break out of this channel, I think we can definitely expect a 50-cent Kaspa next year. I don't think it's very unrealistic. I think at a blow off top in a peak market scenario, like I've talked about before, I think $1 to $1.50 is very realistic. Now, I realize for some people, they would call that FUD. And I get that because I'm also bullish, extremely bullish on Kaspa, but I want to bring myself a little bit down and touch some grass and bring myself level with the earth to realize that, yes, while I think that it could be possible, is it probable? In my opinion, I don't think it's as probable for Kaspa to go to $10 or to $5 next year. Futuristically, yes, but not next year. So a realistic price target, I think, for Kaspa is going to be between at least 50 cents, and I think on the high about $1.50. That is just my personal opinion, but I think there could be a lot more that could be coming. One thing that a lot of people also pay attention to is the power law. A lot of people pay attention to this when it comes to Bitcoin, talking about how the power law does it apply, and oftentimes the opportunities that when it comes to the perfect buying opportunities for Kaspa is oftentimes when it touches this purple line. You can see this was put together by a few individuals, but you can see the times when it hit those lines were the times that it also ran up massively. So it'll be very interesting to see. You can see this similar parallel with Bitcoin when it would reach these purple areas as perfect opportunities to buy, and you would see further rallies after. So Kaspa, all things considered, you're seeing tremendous growth as far as overall active addresses. You're seeing growth in orders, and you're overall seeing also a depleting supply with what could be a very momentous election, for lack of better terms. You can see a really, really bullish 2025. And those are really 5 key things that could really drive the price of Kaspa to higher highs. I think realistically, a 50 cents is probably going to be the right in the middle of where Kaspa is going to be. So that is my expectations for Kaspa 2025 moving forward. Now, outside of this, when all of this bullishness for Kaspa is going to come, the unique thing behind KRC20 is it actually operates really outside of Kaspa. And I say that to say because when Kaspa recently has kind of been on the low side, what we've seen with KRC20, we've seen KRC20 projects do insanely well. I've talked about a lot of these. We've talked about these before they even launched. We've talked about some as they've launched, and some of these have gone and done really, really well. There's some that we've talked about already on the channel that have done really well. There's ones that I've talked about on Twitter that have done really well. So if you don't follow me on Twitter or X, do make sure that you do so. But I do want to highlight a few of these, some of the things that they're doing and what you can pay attention to in other projects that are doing these things that are going to gain a lot of attention. So the first one is Kango. Now, Kango is a very interesting project, and we've seen this also with the likes of Kaspi, is it's correlated directly back to an animal, a real life animal that can draw that attention. Because of a successful project, you either want to draw it to a live animal or to something that is unique, inherent, and native to Kaspa or GhostDAG or the technology of the ecosystem, the block DAG, whatever it may be itself. So to be a successful project, you have to do one of those two things. So with the likes of Nacho, for example, to Shy's cat, we've seen the likes of Casper to Casper when it comes to the technology within Ethereum to being a ghost. We've seen the likes of Kango, which is a real life chameleon, I believe it is. I might be wrong, but we've seen kind of these kind of correlations that I think are really, really attractive. But we've not really seen anything that has been native to the block DAG and the history and the name of how Ghost DAG came about. So we're going to talk about that in just a second. But Kango is one I talked about on Twitter. You can see it's done really, really well. I mean, you look at from the floor price, what we've seen from it's done for it launched about $100,000. So if you look at the current market cap, that's about an 80x from where it launched initially. So you've seen Kango do extremely well. The overall website, you can see the website's pretty uniquely put together. I've talked to one of the individuals behind Kango, really, really cool individual. And I think there's some level of uniqueness behind Kango that makes it appealing. Alongside of that, the direct connection back to the idea of a real life animal that kind of draws that attention to a lot of people. Now, there is another one that is launching called Phantom. I've talked about Phantom. I'm working with the project as well. And what's unique about Phantom is Phantom, if you go back into the history, this is a project that is tied directly back into the technology of Kaspa and the original technology of Kaspa. So Kaspa is based on the GhostDAG Phantom protocol, a scalable generation of the Nakamoto consensus. Now, if you look at the original Shy and other individuals, they talked about Phantom GhostDAG, and Phantom was kind of the initial version of what ended up becoming GhostDAG. GhostDAG was the kind of the better version of it. And GhostDAG got its name from a movie called Ghost Dog, I guess a popular movie way back in the day. So you have this kind of idea of the name GhostDAG got its name from a movie about Ghost Dog or a movie called Ghost Dog. So Phantom being the first Ghost Dog on Kaspa is kind of where it has that native connection back to the ecosystem and really the beginning of what became Kaspa. So I would highly recommend that if you're not following Phantom on Kaspa, definitely do so. Now, other projects, Dag Night Dog, this is one I've talked about, but I think there's something interesting behind Dag Night Dog. A lot of people have the mixed view on fair launches, and I completely understand that. I think what Dag Night Dog is doing from a marketing standpoint will probably make it one of the most recognizable by nonners per se, right? Those who aren't involved in Kaspa or aren't involved in the Kaspa ecosystem are going to gain a ton. It is one that I definitely think that when you look at opportunities, when a lot of these some of these were hitting all-time highs, it was absolutely insane how much these grew as far as market cap. It was absolutely insane. Just from a few days ago, some of these just absolutely peaking. I mean, when you go back, and I just want to go very briefly back to, for example, I think it was, just take Kaspi. Kaspi's corrected pretty hard, but you can see from a month ago, it was sitting at about a $26 million market cap, which made it about a 250x from original launch. So it was insane seeing some of these numbers in the very, very beginning. And I think we're going to see a lot more projects coming. Kango was a recent one. I mean, you look at some of the KRC20 projects, you see some of these going from 100K market cap, which is what most of these launch at, to about $1 million to $2 million pretty quickly. And so you can see 1x in 14 days, kind of insane to think about. There's some stick is 6 days old, is sitting at $2 million market cap. They've actually reached out to me a couple of times for partnerships, but there's some of these that have launched that are relatively new from a project perspective, and they do really, really well. And there's great opportunities to do a 5, 10x within the Kaspa ecosystem. You don't have to go to pump.fun and get rugged on 99.9% meme coins. But either way, I do want to talk about KDAO. KDAO is a very interesting one that a lot of people talked about, a lot of people got involved in, and it is the first DAO, publicly visible Kaspa DAO management group on Telegram, made up of volunteers that have initial ideas and skills to set up a workable framework that will allow for a decentralized autonomous system. So I think this is a very interesting approach to what KDAO is doing. They have some different things that they are operating here. This is still relatively early, still very new, but a lot of the things that they're wanting to implement and do within KDAO, I think would be extremely beneficial to the growth of Kaspa and KRC20 as a whole. So, when you look at the overall growth of Kaspa, the overall growth of KRC20, both of these things are monumentous things that have happened in just the last 2 years. So when in doubt, zoom out. This is still really, really early. Imagine something like Bitcoin doing what Kaspa's done in just 2 years, right? So there's a lot of things. Bitcoin's been around for, depending on the time frame, 15 plus years. Kaspa's not been that long. I think when you look in the perspective of what Kaspa's accomplished versus what Bitcoin has, when you look at other projects like Ethereum or Cardano, you look at AVAX, you look at all these other projects that a lot of people look at and say have all this massive potential, what they've done in the amount of time they've had, Kaspa's done quite a bit in the short time that it's been in the mainstream. So I think there's a lot of things to be excited about. I'll drop links and socials down below if you want to check out some of these projects. But let me know your thoughts. Comment them down below. Where do you see?
Figured he would talk about Conan. He kept jumping around there, but I thought he was actually gonna say something since it is up 6% on the day. He did talk about Kango, Nacho, Bert, Caspi, and I think KO was that KDAO. But this is Ro, and he's talking about Nacho. And let's see what he has to say. Let me know if it starts glitching again. I'm not sure what's causing this, but we're working on it, right? Trying to rebuild the community and let you guys know about the KRC20 tokens. So let's see if this video is okay. For some reason, it gets weird when I change videos, or if I'm streaming and talking and change videos, or I don't know, but we'll figure it out at some point. But let's get back to this video. What's up, Pip? What's going on, man? Can you tell who's a part of a team in KOL and who's just generally supporting a project? Yeah, you definitely can, right? Because they definitely go deeper on some things and skip or don't even mention other things, which is kind of weird. But I mean, that should be expected, right? We know that these guys are convicted on certain plays, and some people are shilling certain coins, right? So either way, we can't knock the hustle there. Shout out to Top Dollar Crypto. And let me see what Rove says, see if we can find another video quick, and I'll let this play. Let me know in the comments if it starts getting weird or if it doesn't play right.
Video, because Nacho the Cat is one of the biggest meme coins on the KRC20 network, and the best way to get into these meme coins early is by buying them on exchanges. And for a very long time, we never had the possibility of doing that. You had to go through this Telegram bot. It was super, had to jump through a bunch of obstacles, but we have finally gotten some exchange listings for Nacho the Cat, guys, and this is one of the fastest movers in the Kaspa ecosystem when it comes to meme coins, so you might want to pay close attention. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ro. We cover the latest, greatest crypto content here on this page, try to help you guys make a 10, 20, 50, 100x play for this bull cycle. I tried to do it alone in 2017, guys, and honestly, I failed. In 2021, leveraged a lot of YouTubers and their knowledge to make as much gains as possible. So now I'm here trying to help you guys do the same thing. If you're new, subscribe, help me get to 10K before the end of the year. And without me yapping, let's hop into the charts, because we finally are also listed on CoinMarketCap. For the longest time, guys, we didn't even have a coin market cap listing. I showed you guys a video on how to actually go ahead and buy this. With Telegram, you had to send in you had to send some money into a Telegram wallet. It was super complicated, but they have made it a lot simpler. As you can see, in the last 24 hours, price is down 13%. The price has honestly been dropping at a very significant rate, but that also is because we are listed on exchanges now. So we are going to get a lot of sell pressure. In the last 7 days, we're down 45%. In the last month, guys, we're down 40%. Now, here's the crazy part. If you guys do want to purchase this, like I was saying, it is on central exchanges, and one of those exchanges being Pionex. Okay, guys, this is such a good platform if you guys want to go out there and buy it. And to be completely honest with you guys, as you can see, they have the most amount of volume coming from Pionex. Now, guys, these guys they have a US site. They also have a global site. So for all the people that are watching that want to buy into Nacho the Cat, you could do that on this page right over here. You can see here, trading, spot trading, we have Nacho USD, and for the trading bot, Nacho USD is available, guys. So you are not short of getting into Nacho USD. You don't have to go through all the hoops, all the boundaries to finally buy into, honestly, a meme coin that has a lot of potential. Because if you need exposure to Kaspa, but you don't want to buy Kaspa, you might as well buy meme coins that are being on the KRC20 network. I am very bullish on this, guys. Go check them out. Links to them will be down in the description below. You guys use my referral code as well. You get some special goodies with that. Now, guys, huge move from Pionex. This is going to pioneer the way for other exchanges to come out with these listings as well. So make sure you guys check out Pionex before you try to buy Nacho through Telegram. Don't be old. Don't be a loser. Do that. Anyways, guys, let's go over to their website here because I think it's very important to cover that. Inspired by Shai Wabrowski's pet Nacho. You can see the way it kind of came out. There was a token mining process when the KRC20, the whole Kaspa ecosystem kind of dropped. Nacho was named after the beloved cat of Shai Wabrowski, a key figure in the Kaspa ecosystem. And you guys already know meme coins that are based on the really well, right? Similar things that come to mind right away is Myro. That's honestly the first thing that comes to mind. And again, I know there's a lot of meme coins that kind of have that narrative that go on, but obviously it's well proved. It's done and not done and dusted. It's a proven kind of, what is the word that I'm trying to say? It's a proven concept that we see work time and time again, which is why I do believe in the future of Nacho the Cat. Its fair launch, there was no pre-allocation, there was no pre-sale, there was no taxes, and it's community funded. Now, what is KRC20? Is a token standard for the Kaspa network. Like I was saying, guys, very similar to what ERC20 is. And before, you can see on their website, they still haven't updated it. The initial launch took place on June 30th, and it was minted by September 15th. The easiest way to mint KRC20 is using the Cat bot in our Discord. So you had to go through the Cat bot, or you could do the KSRP bot in Telegram. But again, like I said, Pionex, other exchanges have started to list this thing now. It's made it a lot easier. And if we look at the chart here, it honestly does not look too bullish, but that is because ever since we got listed on those exchanges, guys, we have been having a lot of sell pressure because people bought into it very early. And they wanted to get their profits, right? Fair enough for them. But you are still super early, guys. It's only a 36.85 million market cap play. A 10x will bring it to 360 million, and 100x will bring it to 40. KRC20 ecosystem obviously gives it an edge over a lot of other ones. In my opinion, I wouldn't load up on a lot of KRC20 meme coins. I would just find the ones that had the first movement, such as what, and just load up on something like this. Sorry, I hit my mic. Hopefully that wasn't too loud.
It's your #1 broker with the best full-service wealth management skills in the biz.
I'm seeing something from Schwab.
But if you do want to go into it, or you're looking at getting into some Kaspa, or you're looking at, just joining the ecosystem overall, make sure you guys go drop them a follow on X so you stay up to date with the latest and greatest information on Nacho the Cat. Again, the only KRC20 meme coin that you genuinely really, really need. I remember when they minted, they did like an insane X, like 84X. They went to 84 million or something crazy like that. Let me see if CoinMarketCap actually has their all-time high. which was okay, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 2, which again from current prices is almost a double. So you're looking at about almost an 80 million market cap, and that is from what I remember, that is where we rode up to. Huge news, not Nacho Nation, the second exchange listings crowdfunding launch is now open. Let's take Nacho to the next level. If you contributed $40+ worth of Kas or Nacho, past or present, don't miss out on the future rewards for our growing ecosystem. You don't want to miss out on what is in store. Now, again, you could basically fund for another exchange to list this, similar to what Pinex kind of did. So make sure you guys check them out if that's something you're interested in. If you are a Nacho the Cat holder, then this might interest you, right? Big Meow Cat Nacho is roaring louder than ever on Pionex.us. A huge thank you to everyone who made this possible. Join us now to share in the 30 million Nacho prize pool. Absolutely love it. Again, guys, very bullish on Nacho the Cat, just because Kaspa is a very bullish play of mine as well. I do believe in the future and the success of Kaspa. I know the price has been suppressed a little bit, but why not get into a meme coin on one of the most bullish utility plays that are out there right now? Kaspa itself is going to be a top 10 coin for this bull cycle, so why not get some exposure into it in a different way, right? Approaching a different way. I think that is what getting into Nacho the Cat really is. Obviously, guys, if you do go on to enjoy this video, I just need to say none of this is financial.
Okay, so I think this is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. For some reason, it takes a pretty couple minutes to unmute the volume, but we are live, and I think we're going to do another quick video from Crypto Guru, and I think he's talking about the best KRC20 tokens. We'll see if he does mention Kaspa and Conan. And shout out to Farah's experience, Conan. And let's see what this guy's talking about real quick. Let me know if it starts to glitch again. I think we are okay, but we'll play this video.
Kaspa and meme coins boom in crypto markets soon. Okay, as recently we saw massive hype for Switch and meme coins, Aptos meme coin, okay, and already Solana meme coins. So Kaspa can be the next, and here that we can see is boom here. And recently, to many meme coins, okay, Kaspa meme coin, KRC20 meme coins are listing on major central exchanges. So in this video, I will show you top best Kaspa chain meme coins that can be the next 1000x potential here. So video is simply very very special, very important. You have to just for the come here. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe the channel. So friends, first meme coin is Nacho the Cat. Okay, Nacho symbol 747 number ranking, 2.3 times your $13 current price, and you can see in last 7 days this price is up by almost 7% here. Okay, because entire crypto market is also right now dumping nearly $40 billion market cap. Our trading volume is less than $1 million here. So this is, I think, good that in coming weeks and coming months, when we see massive hypo KRC20 meme coin, that its trading volume can be increased, and this market cap can goes in $1 billion, because Nacho the Cat was the most high market cap meme coin, KRC20 and Kaspa. And you can see this is Kaspa ecosystem meme coin, a cat theme meme coin. Okay. And friends, we are 46% down the all-time high and 16% up then is all-time low. So just 4 hours ago, this coin has back its all-time low. And these are the exchanges where this meme coin is listed. Okay, CoinX, where I'm holding this meme coin already. Okay, I buy almost all KRC20 coins on CoinX. Okay, I can see CoinX is another exchange where this meme coin is listed. So Nacho the Cat coin can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin, and can be the next listing for Binance exchange in coming months. Number second meme coin is Kaspa. Okay, this is most of Kaspa. Okay, friends, like you can see 0.3 times your $1 current price, dropped by almost 24% here. Okay, last 14 days price dropped by 35% here. Current market cap is just $14 million only, $50,000 trading volume in last 24 hours. So I think this is still good, because this meme coin is also listed on few central exchanges only. Okay, 28 billion coin supply, all in circulation. This is another Kaspa theme meme coin. You can see Kaspa ecosystem meme coin, 72% down this all-time high that was 13 days ago, and right now this meme coin has made its all-time low from just 4% up only. Okay, and this meme coin is also listed on CoinEx, where I'm holding, and other exchanges, xt.com. So these are the two central exchanges where this meme coin is listed. And in coming days, in coming months, definitely we can see Casper listing on many other major central exchanges. And this is the meme coin that can be the next $1 billion meme coin also. First, number third meme coin is Caspi. This is other cat theme meme coin on Kaspa chain. This is like cat. Okay, and this is a cat theme meme coin on Kaspa. This meme coin is also dropped by almost 18% in last 24 hours, and last 7 days dumped by almost 20%. $12.9 million market cap. This is good. $353,000 trading volume in last 24 hours. This is awesome. 330 billion coin supply, all the circulation. This is another Kaspa ecosystem meme coin. We are 60% down the all-time high and just 12% up the all-time low. This meme coin has also made its all-time low just few hours ago, and we are 60% down the all-time high. So this is, I think, can be the best buying price also. Three exchanges have listed this meme coin. Yesterday, this meme coin was listed on MEX exchange. That was a very big bang update from this meme coin. Okay, that CoinEx, MEXC, and XT.com has listed this coin. I'm holding this meme coin on CoinEx. Number fourth is Kango. Okay, friends, I can see Kango current price 0.4 times $0.7, drop by almost 4% here. Current market cap $7.8 million only. So super low cap meme coin. Trading volume $684,000, $684,000. So this is good. And friends, you can see this is also meme coin and a gamify coin. We have 14%. Okay, only 14% down this all time high that was yesterday, and 200% up this all time low. Coin is already listed on Coinex and Axie.com. Plus, fifth meme coin is Doge. Okay, DOGK symbol $0.0014 current price. It pumped by 13% here in last 14 days, pumped by 5% in last 7 days, jumped by 28%. Current market cap is $6.8 million. This is good. $140,000 trading volume in last 24 hours. This is good. 4.6 billion coin supply, nearly all in circulation. Cash by ecosystem meme coin 41% down the all time high and 44% up the all time low. This is good. XT.com and MEXC Bank, and you can see CoinEx is listed by economy. So right now this meme coin is listed on 5 central exchanges. So I think this is the only meme coin, only Kaspa ecosystem meme coin they listed on 5 central exchanges, and all other meme coins I shared you was not listed on 5 exchanges. Okay, was only listed on 2 to 3 exchanges, but this meme coin is only listed on 5 central exchanges. So in coming months and coming days, we can see its listing on maybe many other major central exchanges. First, next meme coin is called. Okay, you can see 0.3 times 07, $8 current price, grow by 55% here. Okay, current market cap is just $4.4 million, and you can see it's a meme. Okay, meme coin on AI meme coin. So that's why this meme coin is very unique. This AI category meme coin, and just now make its all-time low just 2 hours ago, and we are 75% down this all-time high. That was 3 days ago. So newly launched meme coin, and MEX is the only central exchange where this meme coin is listed. There's no any other exchange has listed this meme coin. So friends, this meme coin can be risky also, and these all meme coins can be highly risky because it's still not listed on major central exchanges. Maybe it can be like that Kaspa chain cannot get trending, and these meme coin can be zero also. So risk factor is must here. First, number 7th and last meme coin is Bird. Okay, $0.0047 current price is pumped by almost 1% last 7 days, 8% last 24 hours. $4.7 million market cap. This is good. 1 billion coin supply, all in circulation. And you can see 46% down the all time high and 60% up the all time low. CoinEx is listed, XT.com has listed. So, friends, this meme coin has also potential to be the next big meme coin, because all these meme coin are right now very low cap meme coin, and still there's no high trend for Kaspa ecosystem meme coin. So, in coming months, if we see massive hype for KRC20 meme coins, Kaspa chain meme coin, then definitely these meme coin has potential to be the next big meme coins. And if any of them can get the market cap of $1 billion, then these meme coin are the next 1000x potential.
So shout out to this guy for his list, but it's weird. Kind of glossed over my main man, Conan, the top dog on Caspa. You can see clearly 24-hour trading volume is 1.4 million, right? Kango's 1.3 million. Nacho is 741. I'm not sure what happened to Nacho because Nacho was 53 million market cap. Now it's down to 34. So I don't know what's going on here. Bert is 4 million market cap. 413,000. Kaspa is 7.8 million market cap, 233,000. Fant is new. Looks like it doesn't even have a percentage, and it's only 19 hours old, and it is 337,209,000 volume. And we got Dog K at 14 million, 153 24-hour trading volume. Gold is 5.7 million, 125 million market cap. Kaspa 11.5 million, 112,000. Full Moon, I never heard of this. It's also new, 3 hours. Stick 1.4 million, 34,000. Popcat 1 million. Popcat was going berserk or parabolic, then it kind of pulled back. So I don't know what you guys think. What is your favorite KRC20 play? Don't forget to sign up for Black Tiger Miner Twitter page. And there was another site I was checking out. Let's refresh this real quick. Echo, echo, echo. Are you saying there's an echo, or are you saying echo is a KRC20 token? Let me see. And I did look into Peanut. Peanut kind of went up and came back down. And let me see here, just waiting for. Okay, so that's the numbers. I don't see Echo Pip. Is Echo a KRC20 token? So here is the most minted. So these are the new guys. That looks like our main man, Peanut, Speedy, Bad Boy. Oh, that's what I was looking for. This guy. KRC. Let me see. KRC. So we're looking at our updates for who is this? Just waiting for this to pull up. This is KRC20 change link. We're not going to connect the address right away. So we're up to 17 on ChangeLink. So there's Popcat, Conan, Bert, Nacho, Castbot, Kiki, Fast, Pepe, KRTO. I don't even know what that is. Cast Rig, Fund, Bully, Pent Ale, Swamp Pirate, KK, and Baka. And this is on the waiting list. Let's see here. We got K-Paw, K R-A-K-U-N, Pinko, Kaspa. When is Kaspa ever going to get added to the trading pair? Casper, Goat, Spec, K-A-D-O, Kenny, Mano, Silver, Dog K, hasn't came over either. PPKAS, Nico, Somps. We want Somps to come on over too as well. Yaran, Cass, Saya, Nacho, Rusty, Yanni, Cactus, Kango, Pirate, B, Kaspa. That's weird. Koalas, KFCT, Rats, Kirby, Trump, Scooby, Kelly. Why is there two Scoobies? That's weird. Kaspa, Bart, Penguin, Ping You, I guess, can be. B Kas Kas SPR KOAK Kingy Kermit K Asia K Boat Raccoon Mark. Wow, that's a lot of them. Cass Mo Cass Bo Show B Conan. What is this B Conan? That's weird. Ketchup Coon Cash Jack. Cash Jack was crazy, then it kind of slowed down. I don't know. Flip, Jump, Night, Snowden. How does Snowden get a token? That's weird. Casino, Caspar, Greg, Skulls, KSRT, Craigie, Stick, Cyclops, and Guacu? Guaco or something. I don't know. And looks like Caspi all day. This dip is a blessing for the people to accumulate more TBN. And that's right. Right. This is a good time to accumulate because come tomorrow and Wednesday, things are going to be back up and popping. So I don't know if you guys think it or if you know it or if you guys are watching the election results tomorrow as well. I do think the election results will make a big determination in crypto, especially the KRC20 tokens. And its kind of Kaspa will be listed on Bitcoin. Let me see here. What is this? Just trying to look for more information. See if there's any more news. Creator and dev of Conan's. We'll follow this guy. Top dollar. Let's go to the home, see if there's any new news or anything breaking. For X. See if there's anything popping on X. So this is the Turbo scam alert about the fake YouTuber. More Turbo. Shout out to Turbo Toad Token. Binance Wallet TN bought Turbo Dip. Okay, Binance. Sold 6 million Kas in 2020. Saved the cat. This is the story of Kaspi. Just looking at Turbo Toad. Kaspi or Conan of Kaspa pumps through these veins. Conan as the community, the heart of the project, built on Kaspa currency, superior block DAG. Turbo for president. We like that. If you like it, I love it. Kaspi has reached 400 followers. Coin Market Cap. I might need to check that out on Coin Market Cap. More Turbo. Do a Turbo video this evening. So let's see here. Let's see if there's any KRC20 news before shutting it down. We're at 1 hour. So let's see what's going on. Cactus. This is KRC. Sorry, Kaspi. Holders selling at the bottom. More Kaspi. Cardano got the nerve to be. What is Cardano doing in the KRC20 feed? That's weird. Yeah. Anyway, shadows. But the Nacho baby pass KRC20. Looked at that video earlier. Nacho KRC20. KS Dog. Smart contracts on Kaspa. Cream. Something I've been looking at. I don't know if I'm going to buy into it yet or not. Let me know what you guys think about it. Nacho the Cat. Satoshi? Day 16 of Nacho pumping to 1 billion. Silver on KRC20 token. Kenobi OG Squirrel on Kaspa. Key the best right now. KRC20. Ghost Dag. October 6th. What the? Bert on Kaspi. We did this earlier with the Kaspi. So I guess that is all. There's no trending news. Nacho's trending on CoinGecko, Goat, and Dog K. Largest gainer. What? 5 hours ago. Conan on Kaspa. A lot of blood in these streets today. Not only KRC20, but crypto as a whole. Conan standing strong, 24-hour leader. Kaspa Homeboy. Brace yourselves for Kaspa Homeboy in the bull run. Top 5 KRC20 tokens. Conan, Kango, Nacho, Bert, and Kaspi. Day 9 of Nacho pumping to 1 billion. Cas Jack. Rune. Okay. So there's a lot of raccoons coming now on Twitter from the whole Peanut. And Peanut was a squirrel. I guess Peanut's friend was a raccoon. Something about the state of New York kicked the door in and took the animals and executed them, which was a big thing over the weekend, but I don't see anybody talking about it today. Dag Knight, Pasha, KRC20, Nacho, Kaspi all day, Kango, Nacho again, Chad with Mano, Bear on Kaspa, Goach, Dog Knight, Cas BTC 600 followers, Kaspa the Ghost of Kaspi. What is this? We got 7 winners. Kango, Nacho, Kango, Conan, Nacho, Bert, Kaspi, and Dog K. So I guess that's it. I guess we'll wrap it up for today. Thanks for joining. Thanks for sharing, and subscribing. And looks like Popolinski got 10,000 subscribers. We're on the way. We're right behind them. And what is this? Crypto Galaxy talking about Conan. But thanks for sharing, and subscribing. I was going to do 2 videos, so I might do another video. Also have part 1 of why Turbo Toad token is a good buy for investors for meme coins. There's a whole meme coin with Murat, or Murad, as Murad kind of breaks down the whole meme coin cult. So check that video out. I think it's coming out at 2 o'clock. But thanks for joining. We're shutting it down. Remember, peace and hair grease. And let's get back to the money, guys. And as always, stay dangerous. It's Black Tiger Miner signing out. And we'll see you live this evening for the Turbo Toad Turn Up. Peace out.